Welcome to Crypto Daily. My name is Dustin Knouse, and be sure to follow our show wherever you listen to podcasts. And please, leave a review on Apple Podcasts. Well, I was on vacation with my family in Hawaii, and now it is good to be back. There's some good news for Ethereum users. The price of Ethereum network fees has dropped to a 10-month low. In January, transaction fees averaged about $45. On May 29th, the average fee was down to about $3.77. Some of this comes from NFT minters moving to other networks for lower fees, which is giving developers some big relief to use the smart contract chain. Even with this NFT migration, Ethereum is still the largest smart contract chain. Last time that we saw a big drop in transaction fees was right before a big rally in July of 2021. Then transaction fees had fallen just below $3 a transaction. The price of Ethereum went from $1,700 to its all-time high of over $4,000. So, is there another rally just around the corner? Each year, the Feds put out a survey of household economics and decision-making, based on a survey that's sent out to people of various ages, ethnicities, income levels, and education levels right here in the US. This year was the first year that they included questions about cryptocurrencies, and there were some interesting finds about people who use and hold crypto. Overall, about 12% of the respondents said that they had purchased crypto in the last 12 months. Now, this is pretty close to what we've seen other surveys say. Of that 12%, people who used crypto as a payment method for transactions were more likely to not have a bank account and much more likely to not have any credit cards at all. Oddly enough, the majority of people who use cryptocurrency for transactions made less than $50,000 a year. According to the study, people who had higher levels of income tend to hold crypto as an investment asset as opposed to spending it like a currency. This survey overall is a big stepping stone, showing that the government is taking crypto seriously and collecting empirical data that will certainly have an impact on regulations in the near future. There's a crypto community known as CoinMarketCap, and they have been known to have an 80% success rate in their market predictions. 80% is pretty big when it comes to predictions, and is certainly much better odds than just the flip of a coin. The community has made their prediction for the month of June 2022. Based on a survey of over 34,000 members of that community, they believe that the price of Bitcoin will see a surge of 30% by the end of this month. Some experts previously feared that we could be in a bear winter. However, crypto has been doing pretty well recently. One thing that has also helped the market is that JP Morgan recently sent out a statement saying that crypto has significant upside potential. So, could this group be right? Are we out of the woods and looking to see the markets going back up? Well, now it's time to turn our focus over to the world of NFTs. Some artists have seen their work stolen and sold as NFTs on marketplaces, essentially defeating the point of NFTs helping artists make more money off their work. Well, now the classic art platform DeviantArt is looking to change that. The platform, which was founded in 2000, allows you to upload 10 images and get alerts if anyone uses your work on an NFT platform. Their tool can also detect similar art where someone has moved around some of the elements or changed its style. If you want to try this out, it's free. All you have to do is go to deviantartproject.com and join the beta test. And don't worry, if you think that protecting 10 images isn't enough, you can sign up to protect 1,000 pieces for only $10 a month. You often hear people concerned about the impact of NFTs on the environment as well as the animals that live there. There's one NFT project that's actually looking to save them. The initiative is called Animart. The second A is actually a 4 for those that are just listening. Their goal is to replicate the rainforest in the metaverse. The company issued a statement saying, "We are in the process of constructing an interactive universe that will enable holders to live the life of the animal, interact with them, and explore the one-of-a-kind world known as the metaverse." The objective is to acquire as much of the rainforest as possible so that it can be preserved in its natural state. The efforts of the company will continue until we have altered the globe in such a way that the future is better. Moreover, Animart contains a collection of 10,000 distinct NFTs. Once the initiative is fully operational, holders will have the ability to mint their preferred NFT collectible. Once you enter Animart Metaverse, you will genuinely be free to experience life as part of the natural world, which is one of those things that sets it apart from other virtual worlds. The goal of the company is to become the prime animal welfare organization utilizing new web technologies 3.0 to expand awareness of the natural world. In order to invest and help the cause, you must purchase their crypto art token. The A is a 4. Now, that's a currency that guarantees rapid return on investment and helps rescue wild animals. Although I can't seem to find what blockchain this will be built on, I'm sure it will be an environmentally friendly one and a carbon neutral one. To find out more, you can go to yo-4rt.com. Be sure to follow our show wherever you get your podcasts. Also, leave a review on Apple Podcasts or a comment on YouTube. It really does help the show. I'm Dustin Knouse, and thank you for joining me today.